We about to get Shelby on this scary maze. She thinks she could beat everybody. So we're going to see if she could beat this game and be scared.
Shelby!
What?
Come do this maze. Come do this maze.
You can't figure it out. Why you declaring me? See how great I am? Girl, watch out. Move coming. About to go on this face. I'm smart.
Go take her to your grandma.
Why you all over my shoulder? Alright.
Huh?
Sound effects will help. Alright,
No, hold her hand.
Bam.